Some people are night owls. Some are morning larks. You naturally wake up and want to go to sleep at specific times. You know that you have a peak productivity time. What you are noticing is your biological rhythm, otherwise known as your chronotype. Daniel Pink, best-selling author of When: The Scientific Secrets of Perfect Timing, writes that our brain changes significantly throughout the day between peak and low performance times. Knowing your chronotype can help determine when it is best to do different activities. For some, you write better in the morning and exercise at night. Others will be the exact opposite. It is whatever works for you. Here is how to figure out your chronotype. If you had complete control of your schedule, what time would you wake up? What time would you go to sleep? Next, what is your midpoint of sleep? If you go to bed at midnight and wake up at 8 a.m., your sleep midpoint is 4 a.m. If your sleep midpoint is before 3:30 a.m., you are probably a lark. You are at your most productive in the morning. If your sleep midpoint is after 5:30 a.m., you are likely an owl. You are most productive at night. Those whose sleep point is between 3:30 a.m. and 5:30 a.m. are most productive in the middle of the day. About 80% of us hit our peak early in the day. That is when we are most focused, least distracted, and in better moods. This is a good time for writing or strategizing. Early to mid-afternoon, our performance starts to wane. Our attention and creativity fall off, along with our mood. This could be an excellent time to return emails. We begin to relax or recover from the day late afternoon or early evening. During this time, our mood picks up, though not our performance. This could be a good time for creative thinking. Now, it's time to figure out your chronotype. Then, drag and drop tasks from your playlist into your calendar at your peak performance times.